Hey guys, it's Matt with Current Water Sports. Today we're going to show you how to put a cover on your brand new Mastercraft. It's one of those things we talk about during the on-water delivery, but a lot of times we just don't get there. You guys are wanting to go out on the water and play. We're heading home. So today we're going to show you how to put a cover on this XT22. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is locate the cover. Typically we store these under the front right-hand seat, so you can just move that guy out of the way. You're going to find two poles on the XT22. These are independent poles. You've got one short one for the front and one long one for the rear. These are adjustable, so go ahead and pull these out to their highest height. They kind of click into place there. You can just set them aside for the moment. So these covers drape over the rub rail, so you want to start from the front and just work your way back. On the front of these covers, there's a white tag that says front and it says what model it's for. So start there, just kind of drape it over the nose. If you've got a pickle fork bow, get it hooked over that, and that'll just help line everything up as you work your way back. You can go ahead and put this seat back in its place and just start working your way back. Now once you get to the windshield, you do need to fold this mirror down. So pull that up, release it, and bring it back down. Just kind of toss the cover over the windshield. It's gonna hold its place there. Before you make your way into the back, take your front pole and find the pocket that it belongs to and go ahead and place that in. There are sewn in patches that have pole holders in them. Just find that, plug it in there, and kind of generally get it where you want it to be. It'll pull tight as you move forward. Close your windshield. If you're traveling, you're gonna wanna lock this in place. So close it, flip the latch, and then just keep working back again. Now this boat's equipped with an over tower cover that's compatible with the ZFT4 tower. So you're gonna need to fold the tower down to put the cover on. So bring both your board racks in. Those should lock into place. And then release this handle on either side of the tower. So you've got one here, and then just bring the tower down. And if you're traveling, you need to lock this back into place as well. So again, those grab handles are spring loaded, push it in until it clicks on both sides. Now from here, I like to take the cover and toss it over the tower. Gives you a little bit more working space so you can get that rear pole in. So just like the front, take that pole, find the port for it, and plug it in. And then before you hop over the tower, just kind of get this guy situated. You want to make sure it's not snagged or hung up anywhere. And then you can make your way to the back of the boat. So with the over tower cover, it does go over the tower. So make sure you pull this out and over on each side so that it completely covers the tower and goes down below the rub rail hair. Occasionally, these will get snagged up on the front, so you're gonna have to adjust that a little bit. Just make sure it lays down flat everywhere. Once you've got that pulled back over the rub rail, you can hop back up, and then it just pulls over both corners. So you wanna make sure it's sitting below this rub rail, and just lay it like that on both sides. And then you've got these ratchet straps that are gonna buckle into the back. So take one on either side. It goes around the grab bar. Clip it into place. Do the same thing on your opposite side. And then you've got ratchet straps to help tighten this cover up. So it just cinches around the rub rail. Get that side nice and tight. Then we're gonna come over and adjust this side as well. Now, if you're trailering with this cover, you wanna make sure this is nice and tight. You don't want it moving around or flying or flopping. From here, you can go ahead and get off the boat. That's all that you're gonna do back here. But on the side of the trailer, inside of the boat, you do have this down strap. So this is connected here. You can leave it connected all the time. What you're gonna wanna do is unbuckle this, maybe loosen this up a hair, run it through the strap on the trailer, clip it in, and then just tighten this. It doesn't have to be crazy tight, just tight enough. This trailer cover is not gonna fly off as you're headed down the highway. That's the short and skinny on how you put this cover on. It does change a little bit per model, so if you have any questions on your specific boat, just give us a call and we'll help you out. Thanks so much, we'll talk to you later.